Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Kia Rio GT-Line Hatch, stock reference number 5245. This shape runs from the 6-month 18 through to the current shape. It has a G3 LC 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo-petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G3 LC 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo-petrol engine. We have the left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate, garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door has one small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth and leather interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, factory display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.